Penny and Benjamin Pumpernickel were playing at the playground down the street. They'd just been out shopping yesterday and had on their amazing new clothes. When it was time to go home, they decided to take a shortcut through the raspberry bushes. However, while making their way through the bushes, their brand new clothes got caught up in the thorns. There were tears and cuts all over their clothes. "Oh no, my new dress is ruined," said Penny. She was so sad because she had just bought it. Later that day, Penny had changed her clothes and was looking online to see how much it cost to buy a new dress. When suddenly, Benjamin walked into the room and he was wearing his new shirt, the one he bought yesterday, but there were no rips. It looked perfect. "Benjamin, when did you have time to buy a new shirt?" asked Penny. "I didn't buy a new one," said Benjamin. "I fixed it. Easy," he said. "Whoa, how did you fix it?" said Penny. "I know how to sew," said Benjamin. "Wow, cool," said Penny. "Do you think you could fix my dress too?" "Sure," he said. "How about I teach you?" Penny was so happy to learn a new skill, and Benjamin was a great teacher. Next thing you know, her dress was saved, and her money was saved too.
There's value in learning a skill or two. When things go wrong, you'll know what to do. Study each day and grow what you know. You'll have